Hey guys, welcome back. So I just wanted to talk about this article or this story that I found. So it looks like there's a young chef. His name is Chef Kai. No, actually, I think his name is Chef Key. And he has created a Black-owned, 100% plant-based meal prep company that was inspired by Dr. Sebi's teachings when he was alive. So he only uses ingredients that are or were approved by Dr. Sebi, and so he's based in California, and he ships throughout the U.S. and he offers next day shipping, which I think is really interesting. So if you guys want to go over and check out more information on him on Instagram, I will leave some information down in the comment section for you to be able to find him. And I will talk to you guys soon.